Loss of efficiency, references and authorities. In general, it's not a good idea to base your claim solely on key references from famous publications or studies. However, it's good to complement your primary quantum calculations with references to authorities and publications. So let's have a look at some of the key publications related to loss of efficiency due to overtime, which in most cases is associated with acceleration claims. The first graph we'll be studying is from the US Department of Labor from 1947. The x-axis shows the hours per day, and the y-axis shows productivity as a percentage. It is clear from this study that there's a decrease in productivity as the number of working hours per day and the number of working days per week are increased. This study is adapted from Neal from 1982. This graph attempts to demonstrate how productivity is inversely proportional to the number of working hours and working days. The x-axis shows the number of working hours per day, and the y-axis shows the negative adjustment factor by which the productivity decreases as the working hours or working days are increased. This graph is taken from the Business Roundtable report from 1980. Here, the x-axis shows the time period in weeks, and the y-axis details the productivity as a percentage. It clearly shows that there is a loss in productivity when the working week is increased from 50 hours to 60 hours. The next study was conducted by the US Army, and again, it shows the effect of overtime on labor efficiency and productivity. The x-axis shows the time period in weeks, and the y-axis shows efficiency as a percentage. This graph postulates a decrease in efficiency and productivity as the number of working hours per day is increased. The loss in efficiency is directly proportional to the quantity of overtime hours. And our last graph is adapted from Dale 1986. This graph concludes that as the crew size is increased, there is a corresponding decrease in crew productivity. The x-axis demonstrates the oversizing of the crew, and the y-axis shows the corresponding loss in productivity as a percentage. So these are some of the key publications and studies you could refer to in your acceleration claims.